Ha kasni kebakat doe jong gajing tap kerteng na gebentak election yang dor bartawan gejela kata ha kahnyo terik rempang arajar arpulai. Kilangut ki kertong na gejirang konstituensi ki bakentup iuba li bare u kertong klemseng kerja sangma kertong ke BJP bat ka seremina di marak kertong ka Republican Party of India RPI. Kilalet ban pendap gajing tap kerteng hakmat ki returning officer ka office u deputy commissioner. Habakran sikilat patai kubor uba ali bare ulong bahadin gejing duono ek tiket nak seng BJP kipat ba kilai kejing kersan ke bapura bu udai benekun kumukur tong klemseng. Bat katong ke bubu hakmat ek kalong bu trishtam hak bedai bat ki kam kaput ki jaka pulian nak ki kelas ki baret bat ke bakong san ek ulah benrap ban pai khamat kerpang caki kam jokinong rap. Garia sangma kelong bakum ke kertong ke BJP ke kuat ek bermanra ki kampen roy ha ke nika konstituensi. Haba kinong tok kubor kila keli halor kejungong jongki babon ne kinong jirang ba kamdei kinong chongshnong jong gejela Meghalaya bat kadei jong gejela Assam kalong ba kadon kikot gisla ban pujisha ba kadei kinong chongshnong jong gejela Meghalaya nakaliang ka sermina di marak kalong ba kalajidan bentaban ki ekwedei ba gejingya ka japut apdeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya berkatong jongka banekon yak election kalong bet lor kanong rim banedai kipat ba jong gejela Meghalaya ki badan hak jaka kaput bad kalau ongru baka kermen bagi pat ba akin kersan ka ada kitip ya kanong rem bakayeng
kalong ke ba lungo lor ba mila de trishtom borok sikap tu la kumba arsnem tam di ka jing penduk tiket jong ke parti BJP yang ya kata pinhap kali let's say naki ba penyat ya ke parti kin kham ai kata ka jing jubab ka bakham syai de wat la kata ka jing penduk tiket jong ka parti yang kalong ru siliang ka jing kerku ba ya ka tiket barok sikap tu ngaap na kaliang ka parti ngalak tre hiru ya kata ka tiket tang ba ngayok penban ka tiket napok jirang de ki pat ba kinong kersan ki bahayeng basam jong ilok ki la ya teli lang sisur sidur ban ai ka jing kersan ba ngadei ban yakun baik na kasnong jirang namar ba ngila ya kapto bat ngila yo iru ya kita ki jing duna ki ba pher keleng kisnong ka thau jong ka jirang de ngakermen ba da ka jing kersan jong ki ngimpoi sa ka thong ka banjok
to protect the border issue. I have been fighting for that after regarding the MOU, and I want to fight for the border area people, and I want to settle it in a nice way. And those who are not willing to give to the Assam, I want to stand with them. People will vote me because if they know my value, because I'm fighting for the people, I'm fighting for the society, so I confident, and people will vote me and people will support me. I'm the forest candidate among the contestants, but I hope this time people will vote for the value, not for the money.
Yes, of course. Why? Because we from BJP party, we want development in Meghalaya. So whatever Modi has given to the public, the schemes, we are make sure that public will get it.
It is alleged by the leaders of the BJP, ex-leader BJP from Chirang BJP Mandal. They said that you are not belong to Meghalaya, you are from the Assam, and the constituency that you're going to contest is AS contest.
अरे भाई मेरे पास सारा डॉक्यूमेंट्स है, I can show you all, ठीक है ना? तो इस चीज को मुद्दा मत उठाइए.